guys, today I'm just doing a random video just playing with fidget toys. I got this Rubik's Cube Mini. Like I said, Carson has a new YouTube channel. He's doing a video right now. So yeah, I'm just playing with some fidget toys and talking to you about some stuff. This video is not going to be that long because Carson's, showing them around the house and stuff. He's happy that he has his YouTube channel. Oh, he just ended the video. Guys, I hope you liked this video. Subscribe and hit the like button. Bye! Okay, give me the thing. I'm gonna watch it. No, I'm gonna watch it. No, after though. But we're turning to me chippies in a second. I've been holding on. Okay, so what do you want your video to be called? Holding on it.
What? Ollie.
What?
Ollie.
Ollie?
Yeah. Ollie and me.
Were you talking about Ollie?
Yeah.
Okay.
My God.
Ollie and me.
No, me.
That's what I said, Ollie and me.
No, me.
That's what I said, Ollie and me.
No, Jordan.
Well, I'll put me, okay? Is that fine?
I'm under my pants.
So, he has, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Shit.
6.
7, 8.
Oh, wait, no, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has 6 videos. No, there's no 7 because this is just the same video.
Is Tommy in a drive right now?
No, I'm just talking to my fans. You want to come in the video?
Can I turn the thing on? Oh, Dad.
No.
What?
No. But I hope you guys like this video. Bye-bye. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and wait. Gotta come in the camera.
I am talking.
Subscribe to mine and his work. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.